Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab One, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you'll first need to access the boot options. So we want to hold, see, not just the power button, so it looks like it's going to be power and volume up. There we go. And in here you want to hold power off. And when you do, you can see it changes to this here. Reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They'll be restored when you reboot again. Gonna click on OK. Now, to explain this mode a little bit more in simple terms, it's designed for troubleshooting. If you have some kind of application that is causing you problems to the point that you can't really use Android and deal with that problematic application, you can hopefully boot your device into safe mode, and when you do, this application will not be able to do anything on the tablet. It will be basically permanently terminated as long as you're in this mode, so it won't be able to launch itself, you won't be able to launch it, and obviously it won't be able to cause any kind of problems. From there, you can delete it or do whatever you want. Now, the only applications that you will be able to use right here are the ones that come by default with Android. Any application that have been installed while going through the setup or after the setup was already created will not be able to run in this mode. Okay, so the device is finally back up. Now you can see we have safe mode marking right here to indicate that we are in this mode. And in the second, once it actually loads the home screen, you'll be able to see a little bit more. Or not. Okay, so it looks like it hides applications that wouldn't work. But we can see here, widgets. So we have Google widget right here that basically isn't loading. And it actually won't load in this mode, as widgets don't work here. Now, once you're done needing this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, again, hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. And this time around, you just want to select reboot. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it will automatically go back to the normal mode. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.